Alright, well, today we're going to be replacing a non-power mirror on a 93 Corolla. And all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm ratchet. First things first, get your parts, which I don't have. So, let me go get that. My bad. Unprepared. Alright, new mirror, got it. Pop off this little plastic piece here. Ta-da! Throw that out of the way. And then there's going to be 3 bolts right here holding the mirror on. Go ahead and take those out. Now if you have power mirrors, then the whole door panel has to come off, because the connector goes down behind the panel and clips like right here, down below this plastic piece we just took off. And then, if your mirror's never been off before, you're going to have this little white plastic piece. And it's got these funny little tabs on it that keep the mirror from falling off. Push those in with the screwdriver while you pull the mirror out, if you want. Sometimes it's just easier to rip it out because you're going to replace it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So then you toss that across the shop. And then installing the new one is the exact opposite. Put in your new mirror. Don't drop the bolt in the hole like I did, because you may never get it back. Oh, lucky me, it got hung up. And one of these bolt holes on mine is mangled up, because these mirrors actually came off my wagon. So, I may not even put it in. I don't know. We'll see how it wants to tighten down. Yep, that's the one that's mangled up. There you go. That's it. Put your little trim piece back on it. That's not that one. And it's this one. And that's it. Call it a day. Adjust it or whatever you got to do. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.